Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Vinovest, a platform that offers something truly unique, the ability to invest in fine wine. Located at vinovest.co, this platform presents an intriguing opportunity for both wine enthusiasts and those looking to diversify their investment portfolio. Vinovest handles the complexities of the wine market, from sourcing and storage to eventual sale, making the process remarkably accessible. They manage the entire investment lifecycle, allowing you to participate in a market that has traditionally been exclusive and challenging to navigate. Vinovest offers a streamlined experience, guiding you through building a personalized wine portfolio. They employ a team of expert advisors who leverage their extensive knowledge of the wine industry to select wines with strong appreciation potential. This expertise provides investors with a significant advantage, as navigating the nuances of fine wine can be daunting for those unfamiliar with the market. They take the guesswork out of the equation, utilizing data-driven analysis and market trends to curate portfolios tailored to your investment goals and risk tolerance. Beyond portfolio management, Vinovest also handles the logistical challenges of fine wine ownership. They provide secure, climate-controlled storage for your collection, ensuring optimal conditions for preservation and appreciation. This eliminates the need for investors to manage storage themselves, which can be a costly and complex undertaking. Furthermore, Vinovest handles the sale of your wines when you're ready to liquidate your assets, simplifying the process and maximizing your potential returns. This end-to-end service truly sets Vinovest apart, offering a hassle-free way to participate in the fine wine market. For anyone interested in exploring this unique investment avenue, I highly recommend checking out vinovest.co. The link is in the description below.